through the complications. I try to rush it, but I know it takes time and patience. All the frustration.
Your life, you wanna see that you can be anything you want, baby. Let me change your life. You ought to be anything, baby. I can make you right.
Okay, what's good? Welcome to Shylandia. And we just gonna get straight into the video. We're taking a video of me dyeing my hair. I don't know what's going on with my face, y'all. Like, I just bought some ordinary products, but I know it takes like 6 days for it to start working. So, that's why my hair looks like this and stuff. But for dyeing your hair, you want to start with dirty hair anyways, not clean hair. So, because I'm bleaching it, I got some caps, got a mixing bowl. Yeah, I've never tried this lightener. I usually use the Quick Blue powder lightener. Cream developer, Temptation, and I got the color Ruby Red. I got 2 of them, gloves, the whole set of my combs. Taking my hair down because it should. Okay, so now I'm just gonna start by splitting it down the middle. My ends are already red, as you can see, so I'm gonna put some bleach over this to get like the color out of the color that's already in it out of it. I'm used to like coloring my entire hair, but I'm not really used to like just doing the roots when I already have a color at the end. Like, so now I'm gonna go ahead during this time, to prevent any dye or anything touching your skin. You're really supposed to put on Vaseline, but I didn't buy any Vaseline. I forgot.
I'm making 4 scoops of this. Okay, so that's 4 scoops, because I know I'm one of those that I like to see. And then I'm going to take 2 of these, and I'm just kind of going to wing it and see like if I like the consistency. So I'm just doing 1 for a little over. That's 1. And we're going to go 2. Because it's like you don't want it to be too runny, but you also don't want it to be doing that. So just going to put in a little more.
Y'all see that? Y'all see how, because the ends are pretty much, they're lightened, so I just gotta bring it up a little bit. But okay, here's one thing about bleach, y'all, that a lot of people don't realize. Bleach does not lather. You cannot smush bleach in, like, at all whatsoever.
You just gotta make sure you really get up in there. Like so. Like, I have a lot of hair, so I might even use this whole thing of bleach. Because I have a lot of hair. So, possible. Use the brush to make sure it goes down. That bleach is strong. I felt that in my eyes. That bleach is definitely strong. Just trying to make sure I get down the entire strands.
So just gonna put a little bit more, but now we're just on the front, the bleach around a little bit, so that's why I was getting little sniffles right there. But yeah, it's pretty much the same as the back, exact thing. It's like you really want to make sure you get up in them baby hairs. I wasn't really all up in my baby hairs, and the next thing you know, I have a whole blonde head of hair, and my baby hairs are sitting here black.
That's not cute. I mean, I'm putting red over it though, so. If I was going blonde, then yeah, but I don't know how to go from red to blonde, so. Probably just like this, I was just bleaching it out, but I'm scared. So, I wouldn't do that. You know what I'm saying? But no, that's it. Just gonna rub this down the ends, to be honest. Like, honestly, it's all like.
Okay, so I'm done putting on the bleach. Like, the back is like done, but I just had to let the front process a little bit more because I just finished with the top. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse out the back because the back is already blonde. And we just gonna try not to touch the front. Okay, so we got it to this light, but the rest of my hair is trying to be washed off as soon as possible. So the red will go over that. Who cares? Like, it's like a pink now, but the top is definitely like still a brown, but it was still like, but the back is really blonde. So that's why I had to wash it out. It looks like it's very pretty. Okay, so now we're about to put in the color. I'm already starting to like the color that's coming out. So we're just gonna put this over my hair.
We're just putting. This is why I got 2 bottles, because I know my hair tight and my hair be plain. I have a towel under me. This one's still in my room instead of in my bathroom. Because my bathroom lighting isn't that good, and I want y'all to be able to see the full little process. So, yeah. Okay, so just going through each strand, making sure that it all gets coated, strand by strand. Whatever. It's not there. It should. I mean, unless it's like a significant right there. Then that.
A pretty little red. And don't mind this up front. Like, I just dyed that brown. It's a really pretty red. Decided to wear lashes today because I want to get in the habit of wearing lashes, but I moisturized my hair and now I'm just letting it air dry. But this is the final result. I like it. I love it a lot. Well, comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.